So if we want to convert units within the metric system, there's good news and there's bad news. The good news is we only have to multiply and divide by powers of 10. The bad news is it's usually a two-step conversion. Now, there is another process for this that is kind of easier, but it's also much easier to go wrong with, and is pretty much useless for working with the metric system outside the 6 prefixes we happen to be working with in this class. So, I really encourage you to master this method instead of playing around with the other method where you just kind of wiggle decimal points back and forth according to some weird chart. So, to convert within the metric system, we will first, if we don't start with the base unit, we convert to the base unit. If we do start with the base unit, of course, there's no work in this step. Then, if we don't want the base unit, we'll convert to whatever unit it is that we do want. So let's see an example of this. Let's suppose we want to convert 0.005 kilograms to milligrams. First we read the prefixes. 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams, and 1 milligram is 1/1000th gram, or 0.001 grams. So we start with our 0.005 kilograms over 1, and then we're going to convert to the base unit, in this case grams. So we want to get rid of kilograms and bring in grams, and then once we have grams, we can convert to milligrams using 1 milligram is 0.001 grams. Okay, so when we do this, kilograms will cancel, grams will cancel, we'll be left with milligrams just like we want. We'll have 0.005 times 1,000 over 0.001 milligrams. All right, let's start by working out this multiplication. 0.005 to multiply by 1,000. I want to move the decimal point 3 places to the right. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. That's just 5. Now I want to get rid of this decimal in the denominator. I think to do that I want to multiply my numerator and denominator each by 1,000. 1, 2, 3 places. I do indeed get 1 for my denominator. 5,000 in the numerator. So I do in fact get 5,000 milligrams. My final answer, 0.005 kilograms equals 5,000 milligrams. Notice what we didn't have to do here. We did not have to write out any multiplication or division. That's because the multiplication and division was all by powers of 10, which is the beautiful thing about the metric system. We don't have to do any hard arithmetic. We have to do a little bit of extra easy arithmetic, but that's fine. Let me give you one of these to try. Convert 532 decameters to kilometers. If necessary, answer as a decimal rather than as, say, a fraction. Pause the video and try this now. Okay, well, we know 1 decameter is 10 meters, and 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. So we'll start with our 532 decameters over 1. And first we'll convert 2 meters by saying 1 decameter meter is 10 meters. And then we'll convert from meters to kilometers by saying 1,000 meters is 1 kilometer. Notice decameters cancels, meters cancels, only kilometers is left. We'll have 532 times 10 over 1,000 kilometers. A factor of 10 will cancel, and we're left with 532 divided by 100. We want two more digits to the right of the decimal point, and we haven't got any right now. So 5.32 kilometers will be our answer.